टिळक नगर शिक्षण प्रसारक मंडल डोंबिवली लोकमान्य गुरुकुल English Valbharti Standard 3 Unit 2 Lesson 2 Dr. Dolittle learns animal languages. Now Dr. Dolittle is a doctor. Dolittle is his name, and he is a doctor who could treat human beings also. He used to treat animals also. But one day, suddenly, as if by magic, he started understanding what the animals were saying and all. And then this parrot of his, Polynesia, she's a very smart parrot, and she goes around and she finds different animals for him to treat. She comes and she says, okay, there is this dog here and there is this monkey there and all. And finally, in the end, she makes the doctor operate on a tiger also. There is a movie also called Dr. Dolittle, and it's a very beautiful movie. Okay, now let's go to the lesson. Now listen, doctor, said Polynesia, and I'll tell you something. Did you know that animals can talk? So Polynesia is like, one day in the afternoon, the doctor is doing some work, and the parrot is coming and like, doctor, do you know that even animals can talk? I knew that parrots can talk, said the doctor. Okay, so the doctor was like, I know that parrots can talk. Okay, I've heard parrots talking. Oh, we parrots can talk in two languages. See, sometimes it becomes difficult for us to, dogs only this bark and cats only mew and all. But parrots are the only animals, I think, who can talk in two languages. Other animals, they can understand what the owners are saying or what its masters are saying. But parrots are the only birds, I think, who can talk back or who can listen to what the human beings are saying and repeat it. And that is how they learn the language. Oh, we parrots can talk in two languages, people's language and birds' language, said Polynesia proudly. She was feeling very proud. Okay, तिला एकदम मस्त वाटत होतं, मला दोन languages येतात. If I say Polly wants a biscuit, you understand me. But hear this, ka, oi, fee. The doctor was like, good gracious, what does that mean? Why is this parrot shouting like this? What is it, man? What does it mean? So now Polynesia is laughing. She's like, that means, is the porridge hot yet? म्हणजे कंजी करून ठेवली आहे, ती कांजी अजून गरम आहे का? In bird language. My, you don't say so, said the doctor. You never talked that way to me before. So the doctor was like, Arey bapre, you never told me. You never talked to me in the bird language earlier. So Polynesia was like, what would have been the good? Doctor म्हणतो तू कधीच माझ्याशी अशी बर्ड लँग्वेजमध्ये बोलली नाही. तर पॉलिनेशिया म्हणते काय फायदा, तुला समजणार आहे मी काय बोलते बर्ड लँग्वेजमध्ये. What would have been the good? Said Polynesia, dusting off some biscuit crumbs off her left wing. Okay, she was eating biscuits and ते बिस्किटचे असे चुरे पडले होते तिच्या पंखावर. तर तिथे सगळं झटकर ती बोलते, काय फायदा, तुम्हाला समजणार आहे. यू वुडंट हॅव अंडरस्टूड मी इवन इफ आय हॅड. मी काय बोलले तरी तुम्हाला समजणार तर नाही. वुडंट मीन्स वुड नॉट, समजलं नसेल, तुम्हाला शक्यच नाही असं. Tell me some more, said the doctor, all excited. Now the doctor was really excited. ते जे काम करत होते त्याने ते ठेवून दिला आणि सगळं पूर्ण लक्ष त्याने त्या बर्डकडे दिला. And he rushed over to the dresser drawer and came back with a notebook and a pencil. Now don't go too fast, and I'll write it down. This is interesting, very interesting. So the doctor, he brings his book and pencil, and like when we teach you something, we ask you to keep your books open and we ask you to underline the hard words and all. So the doctor brought his book and his pen and he started writing down, and he was telling Polynesia, don't go too fast, I want to write it down. And the doctor was like, this is interesting, very interesting, something quite new. Give me the birds ABCD first, slowly now. And they, okay, just like we learn A for apple, B for ball, आणि आपण अ आ ई शिकतो की नाही मराठीत वगैरे. तर डॉक्टर म्हणतात की चला मला आता बर्ड्सची ABCD सांग, पटापटा सांग, हळूहळू सांगा, मला लिहून घ्यायचं आहे. So that was the way the doctor came to know that animals had a language of their own and could talk to one another. तर तसं डॉक्टरांना कळलं की जनावरांचंही स्वतःची भाषा असते आणि ते एकमेकांशी बोलतात. सी यू मस्ट हॅव वॉच मेनी ऑफ द डिस्कवरी चॅनल दिस थिंग सिरीज ऑन बर्ड्स अँड ॲनिमल्स अँड ऑल की हाऊ द ॲनिमल्स सिट, वॉट दे मीन, इफ दे आर वॅगिंग देअर टेल्स, वॉट दे मीन अँड ऑल. ओके, तर इट इज जस्ट लाईक दॅट. All that afternoon, while it was raining, Polynesia sat on the kitchen table, giving him bird words to put down in the notebook. संपूर्ण दुपार जेव्हा पाऊस पडत होतं, पॉलिनेशिया त्या टेबलावर बसून डॉक्टरांना एक एक शब्द सांगत होती बर्ड लँग्वेजमध्ये आणि नंतर इंग्लिशमध्ये की त्याचा अर्थ काय. At tea time, when the dog Jip came in, the parrot said to the doctor, "See, he is talking to you." आता 4 वाजलेत आणि त्यांचा कुत्रा जो होता जिप तो आला आतमध्ये. ओके, सो पॉलिनेशिया वॉज लाईक सी ही इज टॉकिंग टू यू. सो द डॉक्टर त्यांना म्हणतो ही इज टॉकिंग टू मी, तो माझ्याशी काही बोलत नाही, तो तोंड हलवत नाही आहे. लुक्स टू मी ॲज दो ही वॉज स्क्रॅचिंग हिज इयर्स, सेड द डॉक्टर. म्हणजे त्याने तोंड कुठे उघडलं आहे, तो फक्त त्याचे कान खाजवतो आहे. सो पॉलिनेशिया टेल्स द डॉक्टर, "But animals don't always speak with their mouths," said the parrot with a high voice, raising her eyebrows. तिशी जोरात बोलते, पण सगळी जनावरं तोंड उघडून बोलत नाही. They talk with their ears, with their feet, with their tail, with everything. ते त्यांचे कानाने बोलतात, पायाने बोलतात. त्यांचे कान हलले तर त्याचा वेगळा अर्थ असतो, पायाने त्या लोकांनी असे खाजवले तर त्याचा वेगळा अर्थ असतो, त्यांनी आपली शेपूट हलवली तर त्याचा वेगळा अर्थ असतो. समटाईम्स दे डोंट वॉन्ट टू मेक नॉईज. कधी कधी त्यांना तोंड उघडून बोलायचं नसतं. डू यू सी नाऊ द वे ही इज ट्विचिंग अप वन साईड ऑफ हिज नोज. आता बघ तो त्याचं नाक मुरगळतोय बघ. व्हॉट डज दॅट मीन, आज द डॉक्टर. आता डॉक्टरनं पण प्रश्न पडला, तो त्याचं नाक मुरगळतोय पण त्याचा अर्थ काय. दॅट मीन्स, पॉलिनेशिया म्हणते, दॅट मीन्स कांट यू सी दॅट इट हॅज स्टॉप रेनिंग. पॉलिनेशिया आन्सर्ड, म्हणजे तो तुला विचारतोय तुम्हाला की बाहेर पाऊस थांबला आहे, मला जरा बाहेर सोडा, बाहेर घेऊन जा. ही इज आस्किंग यू अ क्वेश्चन. डॉग्स नियरली ऑलवेज यूज देअर नोजेस फॉर आस्किंग क्वेश्चन. पॉलिनेशिया म्हणते तो तुम्हाला एक प्रश्न विचारतोय. ओके, आणि कुत्रे नेहमी आपलं नाक वापरतात प्रश्न विचारायला. आफ्टर अ वाईल, विथ द पॅरेट्स हेल्प, द डॉक्टर गॉट टू लर्न द लँग्वेज ऑफ द ॲनिमल्स सो वेल that he could talk to them himself and understand everything they said. पॉलिनेशियाने त्यांच्याबरोबर राहून त्यांना शिकवून त्याने इतकं सुंदर त्यांना शिकवलं ना की डॉक्टर स्वतःहून, आता त्यांना पॉलिनेशियाची गरज लागत नव्हती, त्यांना स्वतःहून ॲनिमलशी बोलता पण येत होतं आणि त्यांचे सगळे इशारे त्यांना समजत पण होतं. ओके. Sorry. After a while, with the parrot's help, the doctor got to learn the language of the animals so well that he could talk to them himself and understand everything they said. Then he gave up being a people's doctor altogether. आणि एकदा जेव्हा त्यांना हे जनावरांचं भाषा यायला लागलं, he could understand the animals' language, he stopped being a human's doctor and became a total animals doctor. Meanings: dusting off, removing dust from something. Dresser, a cupboard. Birds ABC, all the words that birds use. Who was Polynesia? Polynesia was a parrot. Why was the doctor excited? The doctor was excited because Polynesia was teaching him animal language. What did Polynesia and the doctor do all afternoon? All the afternoon, Polynesia sat on the kitchen table giving him bird words to put down in his notebook. What did Polynesia tell the doctor about animals talking without making a noise? Polynesia told the doctor that not all the animals talk with their mouth, but some talk with their ears, feet, and tails. When did the doctor give up being a people's doctor altogether? The doctor learnt the animals' language well, and then he gave up being a people's doctor altogether. Thank you.